Welcome to our instructional video on RoboMaster TT. This video shows you how to update the firmware of RoboMaster TT. Before the update, launch the Tello app and connect to your RoboMaster TT. Make sure that the battery level is higher than 50%. Disconnect your aircraft from your mobile device and turn off your aircraft. After making sure that your device can connect to the internet, launch the latest version of the Tello app. When a new version of the firmware is detected, the app will prompt you to download it. Tap Update to download the latest version of the firmware and wait until you see the message Firmware downloaded successfully. Disconnect the extension accessories from the aircraft. Press the power button to turn on your RoboMaster TT. Choose to connect to your aircraft using Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device. Then go back to the Tello app and tap Update. After the update is complete, the app will prompt that the update is successful. Your aircraft will restart automatically. Connect the open source controller on the extension module to the computer via the USB port on the left. Open the DJI Education Hub and log in using your DJI account. Click the Application Center. Click RoboMaster Assistant to download it. Start the RoboMaster Assistant client after it is downloaded. Click Update Tello Talent on the start screen. Select and open the serial port corresponding to the device. After the serial port is opened, you can see the current version and latest version in the software. Click to update the open source controller, Wi-Fi module. After the Wi-Fi module is updated, select the type of code you need from the ESP32 restoration types. When you see the Update Succeeded pop-up window, it indicates that the extension module has been completely updated. You can also update the open source controller ESP32 to the latest firmware version by updating it separately. That is how to update the firmware of RoboMaster TT. Thank you for watching.